Welcome to Innovative Kids Educational Channel.
Good morning.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is John.
How old are you?
I am 9 years old.
In which class are you?
I am in class 4.
Which school do you go to?
I go to Greentown School.
Do you like your school?
Yes, I like my school very much.
Why do you like your school?
Because the teachers are kind and I have good friends there.
How do you come to school every day?
I come to school on my bicycle.
Do you like riding your bicycle?
Yes, I enjoy it. I ride with my neighbor.
What time do you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 7 o'clock a.m.
What do you do after waking up?
I brush my teeth, wash my face, get dressed, and eat breakfast.
Do you eat breakfast before school?
Yes, always.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat porridge, an apple, and drink orange juice.
Very good. What do you do in school?
I study, write, draw, and play games.
What subjects do you study?
I study English, math, science, social studies, and computer.
What is your favorite subject?
I like science the most.
Why do you like science?
Because I enjoy doing experiments and learning about animals.
That's great. Do you like reading books?
Yes, I like reading storybooks.
Can you name a story you read?
Yes, I read The 3 Little Pigs.
Did you like the story?
Yes, it was fun and had a lesson.
What was the lesson?
Hard work pays off in the end.
Excellent. Do you do your homework every day?
Yes, teacher, I never miss it.
Who helps you with your homework?
My elder sister sometimes helps me.
What do you do after school?
I come home, eat lunch, take a nap, and then do my homework.
What games do you like to play?
I like to play football and chess.
Who do you play with?
I play with my friends and my cousin.
That's fun. Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Maya.
Why do you like Maya?
She is smart, kind, and always shares with me.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a doctor.
Why do you want to be a doctor?
Because I want to help sick people get better.
That's wonderful. What does your father do?
My father is an engineer.
And your mother?
My mother is a teacher.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have 2 sisters.
What time do you sleep at night?
I sleep at 9:30.
Do you brush your teeth before bed?
Yes, always.
Do you say your prayers before sleeping?
Yes, every night.
What is the first thing you do in the morning?
I greet my parents and then brush my teeth.
How many people are there in your family?
We are 5 people.
What do you do on weekends?
I play, watch cartoons, and visit my grandparents.
What is your favorite food?
I like pasta and chocolate cake.
What is your favorite drink?
I like strawberry milkshake.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is purple.
What do you enjoy more, drawing or reading?
I enjoy both, but I like reading more.
What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is badminton.
Do you play it often?
Yes, I play every weekend with my father.
Do you like watching TV?
Yes, I like watching cartoons.
Which cartoon is your favorite?
My favorite cartoon is Tom and Jerry.
Do you have any pets at home?
Yes, I have a cat.
What is your cat's name?
Her name is Kitty.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is winter.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I like it a lot.
What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a horse.
Do you use a computer at home?
Yes, for games and schoolwork.
You did very well answering all the questions.
Thank you, teacher.
Keep practicing English every day.
I will, teacher. I want to improve more.
You're already doing well. I'm proud of you.
Thank you, teacher. See you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe Innovative Kids channel.